Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Well, if you've seen the previous video, you now have the ninja skill of using dark mode in ChatGPT. In this interactive video, I'll help you discover more cool things about the UI of ChatGPT. So try not to skip this video because every time you interact with this video, your ninja skills of getting basic things done with the ChatGPT UI will increase. So grab a cup of coffee or popcorn and fasten your seatbelts. We're going for a drive. This is the dashboard or homepage of ChatGPT. So your first challenge, where can I type my question or command to ChatGPT? It is this chat box or input field. You can type your query or command in here, or you can click one of these example queries. I'm going to take one of these queries now. Your second challenge, can you figure out 2 ways to send your query to ChatGPT? You can click this button or press return or enter depending on your keyboard. On a mobile device, you would click this button. So I'm going to press return. And ChatGPT starts to talk about quantum computing in simple terms. And notice ChatGPT has provided an automatic title for your chat. Your next challenge. Let's say you don't like this query. How can you delete it? This delete button here, when you click it, click confirm. And sometimes when ChatGPT is overloaded, you might see a lag like it happened in this case. But don't worry. If something's not working right, you can always reload this page and usually things get sorted out. Next challenge. What if you accidentally deleted a chat? How can you undo it? Alright, this was a trick question. Currently, there's no way to undo a chat. You can type the question again, but you might get similar answers or not. But my friend, if it was a long chat, it's gone. Next challenge, how do you start a new chat? You click the new chat button and you'll notice nothing's happening. Well, the thing is, when you're on an existing chat, this is how the UI looks like. You have chat threads, conversations between you and ChatGPT. When you click the new chat button, this is what the user interface looks like. You have these 3 items, examples, capabilities, and limitations. And that's how you know that you've started a new chat. What if you wanted to clear all of these conversations, start from a clean slate? How can you do that? Look to the left menu, click the Clear Conversations button and confirm. And all of your chats are erased. So you can start from the beginning. Now, here's a ninja secret. If you click this button and then decide that you don't want to clear all conversations, what options do you have? If you are in an existing chat, then you can click the new chat, and sometimes this works and sometimes this doesn't work. So let's go back to the chat we were in and notice by switching chats, this button cleared up. So let's say I'm in this chat right now and I click clear conversations. I can switch to another chat and this button gets reset. If we are in a new chat and you click clear conversations, clicking new chat will not solve the problem. You have to switch to another chat. So what I've noticed is the most convenient way to reset this button is to switch to another chat like that. All right, this challenge should be simple. How can a ChatGPT Ninja upgrade to ChatGPT Plus? Look in the left menu, there's an option, Upgrade to Plus. If you click this, you'll see this pop up and you can click the Upgrade Plan button and then follow the directions from there. The next challenge is a favorite of all ninjas because ninjas love the dark mode. So how can you enable or disable dark mode? I leave this as a mini challenge for you to figure it out on your own. Or you can watch my previous video where I show you how to disable and enable the dark mode. Speaking of dark mode, ninjas love to stay in the dark. So Where can you find other ChatGPT ninjas or ChatGPT users? You can find them in this OpenAI Discord channel. You can click OpenAI Discord and it opens up the Discord page. And to know more about how to join the Discord or get started with the Discord channel, I have a dedicated video in this section where I show you how to get started with the official OpenAI Discord channel. Another challenge. Every ChatGPT ninja must also know how to find FAQs or latest updates on ChatGPT. How would you find it? Again, in the left menu, you click Updates and FAQ. And this page opens up. All the senseis and Zen masters of ChatGPT keep posting here. You can read these posts and hopefully one day we'll see an article that ChatGPT has become sentient or has helped scientists figure out the unsolvable. That would be awesome. How can you log out from ChatGPT? This one's pretty simple. There's the log out button, but once you log out, you may encounter problems logging back in again because at this point, the ChatGPT systems can get overloaded. The OpenAI team is working hard to scale their systems, and hopefully things should get better in the future. And now for your final challenge, my friend. From the ChatGPT UI, your task is to find 3 capabilities and 3 limitations of ChatGPT. You cannot use any other resource. You have to look for the answers within the UI of ChatGPT, and you cannot ask ChatGPT. The secret is, if you click New Chat, you'll see a page that looks like this, and there we go. The capabilities and the 3 limitations are listed right here. So my ninja friend, now that you've practiced your ChatGPT UI skills, the next video is going to challenge you to solve 12 tasks within 2 minutes. These tasks will be related to the ChatGPT UI. And then you can earn your first Ninja Star after completing these 12 tasks of the ChatGPT Ninja. Can you beat the challenge? I'll be waiting for you in the next video.